screen clearly now? I just click on start sharing option. Okay, now is my screen is viewable now? Okay, is my is my school is viewable now? Hello.
Yeah. Yes, I can
Hello?
see you. Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. So you mean to say, like a last class we have, like a discuss in detail about this other topics, right? How do we try to create the table and stuff? And now we'll see about the data query language. Okay, I think the last class, let me put it on the WordPad. I think it will be very small if I do it on this one. Okay. 1 second. Let me check it whether it is getting in the recording option or not. Yes, it is getting in the recording option now. Okay. So last class we have discussed in how do we create the table. And then we have saw how do we insert the values into the table. We have saw about inserting the values in the table. Values in table. Okay. And then we saw how do we drop the table, drop, comma, delete, comma, truncate the table. And then we saw how do we alter, comma, update the table. Okay, these were the things we have saw. How do we try to alter, update the table? Okay, and now we'll see in detail about, one second, now we will see in detail about data query language. Okay, data query language. And in this language we have a set of operators which we have to know. What are those operators? Number first thing is arithmetic operator. In this arithmetic operator we have different things, like a plus, minus. If you talk about into, multiply, okay, multiply, divide, and all these are types which are there, which we'll see practically. Okay, number second is relational operator. We'll see practically with a practical example. We'll see. Okay, relational operator. In this one we will use the following things. Okay, greater than, less than, okay, not equal to. All these are the options we will use in relational operators. Equal to, double equal to, all options. Okay. Number third will be logical. In the logical operator we'll see in detail from our table, whatever table we created, we see all these operators. Okay, logical operator will see and, okay, or, and comma, not. Okay, and we'll see some special type of operator. What are those special operators? We'll see practically detail about these special operators. Okay, special operators. What are those special operators? We'll see. Okay, in, comma, not in. Okay, not in. We'll discuss and we'll discuss between, not between. Okay, we'll discuss between, comma, not between operator, and also we'll discuss about like and not like. Okay, like and not like. Okay, so we'll see all these things practically in data query language, that is we use with select statement. How we'll try to do, how we'll try to write the query, I will show you practically now. Let's just take example. I am creating one table.
Sir, I can't see anything, sir.
You can't able to see anything? One second.
Yes, sir.
Let me put the screen off and on again right now. Okay. Let me know that you can able to view my screen clearly now. I just click on start sharing option now. So can you able to view my screen clearly now? All of them?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Now is my screen is viewable now? All of them?
Yeah.
Yes, right. Okay. So now see here now. From this one, let me make this off and on this database again. I'm going here to the command prompt, cmd command prompt, and I'm typing here what? SQL plus / no log. Okay. Once I type here like this, connect sys as sysdba. Okay. Sysdba. Then I'm putting password. Okay. I guess TEM system. Okay. Now, what exactly I'm doing now? I want to create a table, and from that table, for example, I'm creating a table name. Call, for example, like a student table or any table I can create. Okay. let's just take an example like employee table I want to create. Employee one table, suppose for example employee one or employee table I want to create. Okay, in this employee table I want to insert a values. What value I want to insert? For example, I want to insert id. Okay, id number. For example, I'm giving a 10. Okay, comma. Now what exactly I will give? I will give my first name. I'm giving FANAME, first name. Okay, just I'm giving F name. Okay, first name. Again I'm giving var char. Okay, 2 colon. I'm giving the size as 10. Okay, and again I'm giving what? Last name LNAME. Then again I'm giving what? Var char 2 colon. Again I'm giving size as 10. Okay, now let me just give the size as 10. Now again I'm closing it and then I'm putting a comma again. ID, first name, last name, and then I'm giving here salary. Okay, salary will be obviously number, right? NUMBER, number. I'm giving the size as 10. Okay, comma. Now after the salary is what? Job. Job is what? A character, right? WARCHAR, char 2 colon, for example, like this. Here I'm giving 10, closing the bracket like this. Already table name is already there. It is telling table name is already there. So let's just take an example of the other table. One second. Let's take any other example. GEWEL Joule. Okay, I'm just taking the table name as Joule, for example. Table created. Okay. Now, if I want to see what is there inside the table, GEWEL Joule, for example, I want to see what is there. These are the following data types which are there inside the table. I wanted to insert the values into my table. I am doing shortcut method. I don't want to do insert into values again and again. I just want to do only one time. Shortcut method I will applying now. Okay. Insert into what I'm doing? JEWES Joule values, VAWES values. What I wanted to insert first, ID number. I'm giving for the ID the number, right? I'm giving like this. One second. Ampersand ID. One second. Ampersand ID, comma. Whenever we are putting character, put in the double quotes like this. Okay. When I think I told you, right? Whenever we are like inserting the values into the table, we have to put like a double quotes. Remember? Double quote or like a single quote I told you. Okay, I'm putting here ampersand. Okay, and I'm showing here what here? F name. FNAME name. Okay, now like this I'm putting. Again the comma I'm putting, and again I'm putting like this. L name. L name is also a character, so I'm putting here like this. Okay, sorry, I forgot putting ampersand. Okay, let's just put here ampersand. Okay, now I'm making this as the top level like this. Okay, and then I'm putting here comma. Salary. Salary means I don't require any kind of ampersand. Salary is a number, right? I don't want anything. Just putting it like this only. Okay, SAL, sal. Okay, comma again. And now this is again the character. Character means like this again, and then the double colon like this, and JOB job. I'm putting like this again. Okay, closing the bracket like this. Okay, now first name, ID, last name, okay, salary, and the job all will be there in the Joule Osco. Enter like this. What ID you want? Suppose if I want to put any ID, okay, like for example, like your guys' name, I will put it right. Start from the, for example, 1222, for example, ID number. Okay, for example, I am putting here Amir. Okay, for example, any name I can put it. Sorry, like last name, any name I can put it. Okay, it's not necessary that it's like correct. Like let's just ask Amir. Amir, what is your last name? Amir. Amir.
Yeah, Bashir, BASHIR.
BASHIR Bashir. Okay, fine. Last name is Bashir, and then the salary, any salary I can give. It's like a dummy, whatever. Okay. So now I'm just putting here for a job, for example, like a security analyst, sec analyst, for example. Okay, I'm putting here like this, SAC, or else, okay, 1, 2, 3, because I've given size 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now one row created. Again, I'm putting a slash, enter. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3, for example. Okay, now I'm putting here Jahed, always, okay, or else I can give, any name, for example, like Shravanti, for example. Okay, now I'm putting here slash, enter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, 4 example. Okay, now I'm putting here 1, 2, 3, Okay, for example, any name I can give. Okay, it's not like that. Okay, any salary I can give, for example, like this. It's not like that mandatory. Okay, junior security analyst, for example. Okay, junior sec. Okay, I'm just putting like this. Again, I'm putting a slash, for example. Okay, for example, I'm putting here Mujahid. Sorry, not the ID. ID will be 1224. Okay, ID will be 1224, and the name will be Mujahid, for example. Okay, I'm just putting like this. Okay, Mujahid for like this. Okay, first name, and then I'm putting here like this. Okay, and the salary, anything I can put it. It's not that mandatory. Okay, senior sec. Okay, for analyst. Okay, let's just put here analyst. Okay, anything I can put it here. Okay, now senior sec analyst. Okay, let's just put it here. Okay, now I can put another slash. This is the only like a two values I will add it more, and then it will be easier for us to do until the last. Okay, let's just put it here any name. Okay, 1 2 2 5 here, for example, like this. Example. Okay, Mustafa, for example, like this. Any name I can give it like this, not that mandatory. Okay, Mustafa Khan, I can give it like this. Salary, I can give it anything. 550. Okay, anything I can give it. For example, I'm giving VAPT. Okay, like this. Okay, last name I'm trying to enter. This is the last name I'm entering now. Okay, now this one, for example. Okay, like this. Okay, for example, FAR. OQ, for example. Okay, and now for example, anything I can put it here like this. For example, anything I can put it. Okay, it's not necessary that I'm just putting it like this. Okay, for example, like this I'm putting like this, for example. Okay, now I'm putting here select. Okay, select star from, for example, what is the table name we have created? GWELS Joel, right? So this is the table now. I'm saving it, saving into the complete commit command to permanently save into a database. Remember I told you that will get completely permanently saved. Now I'm using all these operators. All of them are getting now, right? Hello, all of them are there now.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now this table Joule got created. Now I am using the operators one by one I'm using. Let's just start with the arithmetic operator. You see the operator here. Arithmetic operator. So what exactly I'm using? Plus, minus, equal to this, what I'm using, right? Now I want to do select. What I am selecting now? I want to select first name and the salary. Salary should be increased. How much will be the salary? Let's just take first name, for example. First F name. I think I put it here only F name, right? F name, me name. Select F name. Okay, comma salary. SAL sal comma. For example, if I want my salary to be increment by 100, salary plus 100, for example. From which table? From JEWEL Joule table. Okay, from Joule table, question mark. Did my salary got increased now? 2000. Is my salary got increased?
Yes, sir.
Or else, if I put it here like this, for example, if I put it like this, for example, if I'm putting here like this, okay, sorry, as sorry, increment is not a correct word now. Okay, let's just do with the other example now. 1 second. If I wanted to put, for example, like set salary for salary equal to like this, right? Okay, now if I wanted to do multiplication, for example, if I want to do here 100, salary comma salary into 100 from June, what happened now? If my salary got incremented into the this salary now into 100. If I wanted to increment it 12 times, means my annual salary. If I want to keep the annual sal. See now, what happened? Amir, Shravanti, Mustafa bhai. Hello.
Yes, sir.
First name and the annual salary from Can you guys able to understand what exactly I am doing now?
Uh,
Hello?